Hello travelers, my name is Romulo Silva, welcome to my channel Ride for Vacation. In today's video we're gonna talk to Subodh. He's from Delhi, India, and he lives in Boston now, and we're gonna have a nice conversation about what places to go in Boston. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below if you've been to Boston before or where is gonna be your next trip. Thanks for watching, let's go to the video. Hello. Hi for Subba.
Yeah.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Very good.
Yeah, it's a long drive.
We're going to...
Yeah.
No problem. I love long drives. How are you today?
Yeah, good, good. How are you?
Very good. Happy New Year.
Yeah, you too. Happy New Year.
Thanks. That's my first day of the year anyways.
Yeah.
Driving.
Yeah. So you had good holiday?
Yes, it was awesome. What about you?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah. That's why I asked you, where are you from? India, you know.
Yeah.
Maybe if you want to share your story, you know, where are you from India, what do you have to do in India for fun, or any museum that you went there that you like it, you know, anything. Or maybe over here, if you want to, you know, be on my YouTube channel, of course. What do you think?
Yeah, sure. Like, so I live most of my time in Delhi.
In Delhi?
Yeah.
Nice.
Because I was studying there, doing my PhD there.
PhD, nice, huh?
Yeah.
In what area?
So I'm here in the, so I'm working for a pharmaceutical company. I'm a scientist in cancer biology.
Oh, scientist in cancer, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. You are a very intelligent guy.
Everybody is intelligent, right?
Yeah, only intelligent guys, people say that. You're very smart. And where you used to go in Delhi for fun? Like any nice places?
So Delhi, like there's a lot of places there, right? So Delhi, like,
it's huge, right? How many people?
In Delhi,
how many population there?
The population will be like, I think, more than 10 million. I think that 20 million now.
20 million now?
Yeah.
Just in Delhi?
Yeah, that's in Delhi. Yeah.
Oh my God.
That's in one city. Yeah.
And how many people are in India?
India, it's 130 billion.
1.3, nah?
1.3 billion.
1.3 billion, wow. It's a lot of people.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
that's
like
nice.
Some of the places you must know, like Taj Mahal and all, those are very famous, right?
Huh?
Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal?
Yeah, it's very near to.
Oh, yeah.
It's not in Delhi. It's in Agra. It's
yeah, Taj Mahal. It's a
very
symbol,
famous.
right?
Yeah.
It's very famous. Have you been there?
Yes. Yeah, that is one of the most popular destination for the tourists there in India.
Have you been in other countries besides the United States?
I have been to Europe.
Yeah.
Europe, I have been to Germany. So
Germany,
in Frankfurt, and also a small country I don't know even heard about it. Estonia.
Okay, yeah,
You know?
I have heard about Estonia. Yeah.
I have been there because I had a talk there, so I presented my work there. So.
Oh, okay, that's nice. And over here in Boston, when you where you'd like to go, like to have fun or to relax?
So like I said, like we generally go to the nearby places, all the places, the New Hampshire, the Maine and all.
Yeah.
And Boston we do a lot of like go to the lot of places for the restaurant and all.
Restaurants, yeah.
And sometimes like the kids friendly places because the one here. So we keep doing like try to do different things. We keep looking in the Facebook events and all that, what is good.
Events, yeah.
Yeah, what is going on.
And now the events is going back to normal, but for the 1 year and a half,
yeah,
it's no events, nothing going on.
Yeah.
You know, even the restaurants like open late.
Yeah.
They close like 9 o'clock.
What is your favorite place in this?
In Boston.
Yeah.
Well, because I have kids, you need to be like with kids involved. So we like to go to the Science Museum.
Yeah. Science Museum. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. I have been there.
Yeah, that's nice. We've been there a few times. The Legoland. Have you been to Legoland? Assembly. That's nice there too.
Assembly Square.
Assembly Square.
Shopping.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They have the Legoland, like, it
Yeah.
was for 3 floors of Legos. And then when they have those special exhibition over here in Boston, we did one in December.
So right now, I can tell you, like, it will be good for your kids if you want to interested. So there is in the Quincy market, right?
Quincy Market, yeah?
Yeah, there is some dinosaur show is going on.
Oh, right now?
Yeah.
Okay, thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you. We're gonna go to Quincy Market to see some dinosaurs, yeah.
Some dinosaur show is going on.
Yeah, last month we went to see Van Gogh exposition. I forgot the place name. Straton.
Where?
It's like I forgot where it was. That was like there for a while, and probably still there. Those Van Gogh arts.
Oh yeah. I saw in that art that very classical kind of art room, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I saw there in the Facebook. It's popping up.
Oh, okay. Yeah. It's very worth it to
It's
go.
very good. Yeah.
Yeah, my kids love it. It's very like kids friendly.
I think it is still going on. Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, we have a lot of stuff going on in Boston. We just need to pay attention for those events.
Generally in the Facebook it pops up.
Yes. Down this door, right?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Subba. Thank you.
Thank you. It's nice to talk to you.
Nice talk to you too. Good luck, okay, in 2022.